Good morning, everybody. Josh here, Crypto Goonies, just giving you your morning dose of news and information. And a good day today, actually. Better than we've seen. Market's up to nearly that $600 billion market cap. Looking pretty good. Ethereum is rolling up 12.2% in the past 24 hours. That is awesome. There's been reports of it nearing an all-time high I saw, which the all-time high is $1,400. So we're still a little bit off the all-time high, but overall some good numbers. Now, looking at the market today, I'm happy to see something that we haven't seen in a long time. We're seeing a little Christmas in here. We're seeing greens and reds, and I think that's healthy. The market for the past month, it seems like, has been either all red or all green. When I first got into crypto, it was like this. You'd see coins going up, coins going down, due to different news and stuff, not all just following the Bitcoin trend. Now, I think that's healthy. I think that's showing that people are putting money into coins that they like, removing money from coins that they don't, or FUD, such as the NIM project there. Ripple is doing well, up 5%, up nearly 18% on the week. $1.44. I know it's down from its all-time high significantly, but Tron still struggling, 6 cents. I know there's been some reports people thinking Tron's going to go on to Coinbase, but that's just silly because it's a token, not a coin, so I don't know how that's going to happen, guys. That's just people. There's a lot of fanboys out there for Tron, and I sold all my Tron on its way back down at about 22 cents. I was in it from 6 cents, so I made a decent amount of money, and Tron I'm not touching with a 10-foot pole at the moment. So anyway, just going through, again, I like seeing some greens and some reds. Again, that's a sign of a healthy market. That's people buying into projects they believe in, pulling money out of projects they don't believe in, moving money around. Like this iOS token, don't know much about it. It's shot up significantly, but it's kind of dropped off. Electronium is hurting a little bit, down 30% on the week, 20% in the past day. But again, that's good. It's good to see fluctuations within the coin market and not just everything going up and everything going back down. I like to see that. So, not a whole lot of news today. I did want to bring up this little chart that came out from time.com. Basically, it's a breakdown of who's buying Bitcoin at the moment, and it's pretty interesting. So, of course, 75% roughly male purchasing Bitcoin at the moment, and 60% are under the age of 35, 15 to 35. So it's definitely the younger demographic. But here's the interesting one. Split 50-50 white and non-white. So yeah, it doesn't see cryptocurrency is colorblind, and everybody sees the opportunity, and I think that's great. Unlike the broader U.S. population, nearly half of them are minorities. So we've got young people of all creeds and colors buying into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So I think that's fantastic for the markets, to be honest with you. So anyhow, like I said, not a whole lot of news to cover today, but I did want to jump into another coin. But today's not a coin. Today is going to be an ICO I'm going to cover. So this is Coinstarter. So I've got the white paper brought up. What I might do, let's just jump back to their main site to begin with. So Coinstarter has an ICO going right now, 30% bonus. I'll leave the link below if you want to sign up. I have jumped in on this ICO, full disclosure. I've jumped in on a few lately, and this is one I think has potential, but it also has potential for a lot of bullshit, and I'll get into that as we go through it here. So basically, Coinstarter wants to be Kickstarter for ICOs. They want to take care of the technical side, let you focus on the product, and begin a fundraising, basically crowdfunding, basically an ICO for ICOs. Now they do have some good backing. They've got a good team. We'll get down to those here in a minute. Here's some of the ICOs that they plan to launch on Coinstarter in the next few months. A Heal the World blockchain monitor to monitor, store, and analyze goods in the pharmaceutical industries and food industries. We do have a few of those. Walton, Wabi, there's a few already out there. Dynoth is a new standard of authentication. There's no forgotten passwords for online accounts, coin wallets anymore. So basically, they want to be a backup to your private keys and stuff. I'm not sure exactly how they're going to do that, but that's the plan for them. SAMP Motors is urban planning, reduction of traffic and air pollution. Creating on this is ARG Tool Station, creating an online platform that will provide blockchain-powered tools for cryptography, stenography, and forensics. So helping out the police with the blockchain. Build Token is a smart contract system based on Ethereum that uses a blockchain for investments in industrial constructions. So as you can see, they do have there's a new mining startup. Those are getting big. Check out my video. I got a few. I've got one on, I forget what it was, some bullshit coin yesterday or the day before. But yeah, so mining. Anyway, they have over 140,000 members. They're operating in 182 countries, and they have over 3,000 ICOs already submitted. Now that worries me as well. Now, I see the plus side to this. They want to help these startup companies raise funding, get their ICO off the ground. That's great. But with 3,000 ICOs coming, there's going to be a lot of bullshit in there. There's going to be a lot of stuff that people are not going to be interested in. There's going to be a lot of failed ICOs and failed crypto companies starting up with 3,000 plus ICOs already submitted. Hopefully, Coinstarter weeds them out, has a very good process to filter the good versus the bad, and we end up with more of the good. That was my main concern with this, is that they're going to flood the market with coins that are just go nowhere, that are just useless. They do offer this Coinstarter box, so if you invest in their ICO with 1 Ethereum, you actually receive a Coinstarter box. What that is every month they take their ICOs that are on the platform that are going to be launching, and they give everybody in the Coinstarter box a small percentage of those coins. So basically, you don't even have to buy them. If you're invested with 1 Ethereum at the beginning, you get this Coinstarter box. Otherwise, I believe it costs $200 a month, something like that. And you just get a random assortment of ICO coins every month. So basically, you get free investing without even having to think about it. Now, like I said, if you sign up and invest 1 Ethereum right now, you get this Coinstarter box included for, I believe, 2 years, which is a heck of a deal, because honestly, you get your stat coins. That's going to be the Coinstarter coin, and you have to use stat coins to start the ICOs on their platform. So there will be a use for the stat coin. STAC is going to be their listing, and with this, you're going to just get free ICO coin, free coins dumped into your box every month. Without having to do the research. So you're going to end up with a lot of junk coins probably, but you're going to end up with a few good ones as well, I think. So the team here, a lot of US-based guys, San Francisco-based guys. I've gone through their LinkedIns. They're all on there. They're all legitimate, so we don't have to worry about that, which is good. So a good team. Now, I found their customer service is fantastic. So I have communicated with the team via Twitter, via Telegram, and via email, and I've gotten responses very quick from all 3 sources. So that's awesome. They are not hiding anything. They're very transparent, and you can speak to anybody at any time, and they will get back with you. A lot of times with an ICO, or even we've seen with Coinbase or some of the larger companies that are making billions, you contact them, they say, we'll get back to you within 14 days, and then you're lucky if you get a call back or anything within 14 days. These guys have been 100% on it. Every question I've asked, every time I've raised a query, they've even, so it's an ERC20 token, and I made my purchase. Now, they bounce back your coins to you, basically. So if you do sign up from an ERC-compatible wallet like I do. EIDOO, not like I do, but EDU, the EDU wallet. And they give you actually the coin, so you can, when you hit this here, you can add the coin to your wallet, which I've already done. Yes. So right here, this is where you send your funds to, and they bounce it right back to your wallet. This is how you can add the stat coin to your wallet. So very easily done. I actually did it. I wasn't thinking. I did it from the Exodus wallet, which doesn't support this. They actually walked me through the steps with my Ether wallet and my private key on Exodus wallet. I didn't have to give them any information, but basically they helped me recover my coin, or not recover them, but find out where they are. Now they are locked until March 1st at the moment, but once March 1st comes, I'll easily be able to move my coins from that wallet into my Edu wallet, where I can then transfer them to funds or whatever. They've also said they've already been approved by 2 exchanges, and I'll put those, I forget which 2 exchanges, but they are applying, of course, to the big ones as well, but they will be listed on exchanges as of March, so that is awesome. So they're saying, you know, fat stacks of stack is what you want. A Coinstarter box. They give you a video tutorial on how to do it, how to set up a My Ether wallet if you want to do that way. So with coins, they're looking to do 980 million starter coins. 1 Ethereum gets you 4,500 starter coins. And right now you get a 30% bonus. I signed up. I got a 40% bonus for the next couple of days. You're going to get a 30% bonus. And then in the last few days, 20% bonus. So the sooner you sign up, the better. Again, I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to sign up with them. Any unsold tokens will be burned, and they are planning a buyback as well to increase their coin profitability. So let's just go back in here. They have a great, actually, let's look at the roadmap. So the roadmap, here's where we stand at the moment. Oops. And let's go back here. Just bear with me a second. We'll get this pulled up. Alright, so for the roadmap, I think they have some great plans for the future. So here we are. We're in the ICO stage. ICO ends February 17th. Starter coins will be available on the markets as of March 1st. So as soon as you can start moving the coins, you can sell the coins if you want to. March 15th, full launch of the Coinstarter platform. So they're going to start backing these ICOs in, you know, less than 2 months' time. They're going to have Coinstarter Labs, which is going to help upcoming upstarts get going there. They actually want to start their own exchange by Q3, so that'll be interesting. Drag and drop smart contracts builder in Coinstarter Labs, and 2019 continue to innovate. So again, I think, and here's their plan for use. By end of 2018, they plan to have roughly 3,000 to 4,000 startups going, and they plan by 2020 that there'll be 43,000 campaigns run on this. We'll see if they get to that. That's a lot of ICOs. That's a lot of coins in the marketplace. So we'll see. Some good information on their token here, and that it is a practical use token, and it's not just a token to raise money, but you will have to use the tokens to start your ICOs up with them. And yeah, I think it's a good project. I think it's worth putting a little bit of money in. The other beauty is you're not committed to one full Ethereum. You can deposit less than that if you'd like to. So you can invest $100, $200. If you want to just throw a little bit of money at them and just see what happens, it's worth it, I believe, just to get that potential. So that's my coin of the day, guys. Tell me what you think. Actually, before we run off here, let's just take a quick look-see at their white paper. So, yeah, basically pretty much everything we've covered already. They do have a good, you know, coin offering, the ICO market. Yeah, pretty much everything we've covered, so there's no need to really go through this. I have read through this extensively. It's good. I like it. I think it's a great project, to be honest with you. My only concern is that they're going to flood the market with junk coins. So we'll see how that goes. But I think the coin's worth investing in. It's I believe I got mine at about 15 cents each. So there's potential there, guys, and I think it's a decent ICO to jump into. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you in? Are you out? You think it's bullshit? I don't know. Up to you guys. Please like and subscribe. Really appreciate that, and we look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. If there's any new news, I'll be back today with another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.